If you want to make cooking faster and easier, a good vegetable chopper can help a lot. These tools can save you time and effort when chopping vegetables. In this list, we'll show you the top 5 vegetable choppers that are perfect for quick and easy cooking. Let's get started and find the best one for your kitchen. Number 5. Small but powerful food chopper. This small but powerful food chopper has 2 speed settings and a pulse option. It can chop vegetables easily and even make smooth purees. It also has a special drizzle basin that lets you slowly add liquids, like olive oil, which is great for making salad dressings or sauces like aioli. The 3.5 cup bowl is big enough to handle a good amount of food, yet the machine is light and easy to move around. It's much easier to use than a big food processor. At first, the lid might take a minute to figure out, but once you get used to it, it's very simple. We really like the easy-to-use lever that controls the speed, perfect for cutting things just the way you want. Cleanup is also very easy. The bowl, lid, and stainless steel blade can go in the dishwasher. And for the base, just wipe it with a damp towel. That's it. Number 4. Presto Professional Salad Shooter. This handheld electric food chopper is just as fun as its name sounds. The Presto Salad Shooter quickly slices and shreds vegetables like cucumbers and carrots, and it literally shoots them out of the machine. It comes with 4 color-coded blades that let you cut in different ways, like thick slices, ridged rounds, or fine shreds. There's also a small funnel that helps keep food from flying all over the place. Even though it's a handheld machine, it's very safe to use. A plastic plunger pushes the food down toward the blades, so your hands stay far from anything sharp. This tool is great for quickly preparing shredded cheese, sliced veggies, or even meats, perfect for making homemade pizzas for family movie night. Number 3. Oxig Goodrips. Vegetable chopper. This small capacity chopper is great to keep on hand for cutting small amounts of vegetables like shallots or a handful of garlic cloves. The clear bowl has well-defined measurement markers, and the lid locks onto the bowl easily but securely to help prevent spills. The grippy base resists slipping on the counter when vegetables are being chopped. The plunger can be locked in the lowered position for more compact storage, plus all parts are dishwasher safe and can be easily disassembled for more thorough cleaning. Number 2. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. Fullstar has gained a lot of attention on TikTok and is a top seller on Amazon. It comes with 4 different blades, a large dice, a small dice, and 2 spiralizing blades, which provide versatility for chopping a variety of vegetables and fruits. Insert the larger dicing disc and press down on the hinged lid to quickly chop firmer foods like potatoes or onions. Use the smaller disc for softer foods like tomatoes or avocados, or flip the lid open to use the spiralizing disc. Unlike other vegetable choppers, this pick is not suited to chopping parsley or other herbs, so it's best used for larger vegetables. It is dishwasher safe and has a durable large capacity base, so it can prep more veggies in one round than smaller models. Number 1. Kazenart Elemental 4. Cup Chopper. This mini food processor option takes up significantly less storage space than its larger counterpart. It's a great choice for those with smaller kitchens, but it's important to note that it can't do all of the same jobs as a larger food processor like make dough, nor does it come with additional attachments like a grating disc. In testing, this electric vegetable chopper produced even and finely chopped results, whether onions or softer ingredients like canned tomatoes. The bowl is large and clear, but it does not include a max fill line, so use caution when adding liquid to ensure the chopper doesn't overflow. Let me know in the comments which vegetable chopper is your pick. If you found this video helpful, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews and recommendations. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next 1 inch.